Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will talk about one of the very important topic which is suitable for a trader, that is how to select the stocks for trading. Are you fascinated by term trading? Do you trade or want to start trading in stock market? If yes, then in this video I will try to explain one of the very important topic, that is how to select the stocks for trading. Now first understand what is trading. It is a way of buying or selling a stock, commodity or a currency pair. Trading is characterized by a short-term time frame. It is very simple. Now let's take an example. If you go long on 1000 shares of Tata Motors at rupees 300 and sell it, let's say, at rupees 310, then your profit would be around 10 rupees per share. That is, total profit will be 10,000 rupees. On the other side, if you are seeing that the stock price is falling, then you can short it at high price. Let's continuing from the previous example. Assuming the price of Tata Motors share is currently at 310, we might get a fall from here and the price might reach to 300 rupees. Then we may short it at rupees 310 and square off the position at 300 rupees. But the short position can be done only for intraday. So just to give you a brief about intraday, it is a trading style which lasts only for one day, or the day you create a position, you need to square off that position on that very day. Apart from intraday, we have positional or swing trading, which you can carry the long position for up to few weeks. Since your understanding about the trading is clear now, let's move ahead with the stock picking strategy for yourself. Traders should be very careful while picking the right stocks for trading. The first step is to look for liquid stocks. Liquid stocks means stocks with higher volumes, so that at any point of time there will be enough number of buyers and sellers are available at each available price levels. The more liquidity can be found in large cap and some of the mid cap stocks. Usually in case of index F&O, the volumes are higher as compared to stock F&O. So the formula for calculating is the average daily volumes traded divided by market capitalization. To know more about market cap and its importance, you can check out our other videos, and as it is a very important tool for a trader. The second step is to look for the volatility. Traders need to ensure that there should be enough price movement in order to take the price benefit. Mostly, intraday traders prefer stocks that tend to move between 3 to 5% on either side. However, this is not a rule. Third, trending stocks. As it is rightly said, a trend is your friend. If you are able to find the trending stocks, which means either the trend of a stock is up or down, then you would be able to generate profits. Learning technical analysis will help you to find trending stocks. If you want to know more, you can check out the other videos related to technical analysis. Fourth, event-based stock selection. There are many news prevails in the market related to a particular stock. These news could be the announcement of quarterly results, news related to the management or its businesses. Sometimes the stocks gives breakout, so these events results in the movement in the stock price. Depending on the result of the impact on the stock price, it could be negative or positive. So I hope that you got some insight on stock selection for the trading purpose. We are committed to provide you the right videos which will be helpful in taking your trading and investment decisions. So subscribe the channel and get updated with the market.